Hello, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. I work with Holden Law Offices based in New Brighton, Minnesota. Today I'm going to talk about what a Social Security hearing is. Social Security has procedures when you apply for Social Security disability benefits or SSI. The first stage is application, second stage is reconsideration, but the third stage is a Social Security hearing. If you're denied twice and get to the hearing stage, the hearing is crucial. It's very helpful. The hearing level, it's an informal meeting with the judge, usually by phone, sometimes by video. You can ask for it in person sometimes, but in any event, that meeting is the first time you interact with Social Security directly about the medical issues you have. What you're doing in a hearing is explaining your past work for the first 5 or 10 minutes. Usually, they look back the last 5 years. But then in the Social Security hearing, you're discussing the medical issues that keep you from working any kind of full time job. There are some details that if you have an attorney, your attorney would describe what they are as far as age and other relevant things. But the basic idea with a Social Security hearing is that you're explaining if you have, for instance, a low back problem, why surgery didn't work, what symptoms you have. Do symptoms go down one or both legs? Do you have trouble walking, standing, sitting, lifting, carrying, right? Um, the different physical issues and emotional issues can affect your ability to do any kind of full time work. That's what the hearing is about. It's also about your functioning day to day, your ability to do chores, your ability to follow with hobbies that you like doing, um, and your ability to drive, do errands, things like that. The idea of the Social Security hearing is that the judge listening to you can get an insight about your functioning from your perspective, how bad the pain is, what you need to do with swelling, if you need to elevate a leg, things like that. When the hearing is almost over, the judge, and if you have an attorney, the attorney will have a discussion with the job expert that are in these hearings. The question is, if you have a certain number of limitations, are there full-time jobs that exist in the country that would allow for the limitations that you have? Social Security does not is not to consider work from home, is not to consider accommodations from an employer. Competitive full-time work is the standard. Then, after a hearing is done, generally the hearing decisions take about a month or two. Some hearing offices it's longer, occasionally it's shorter, but the decision comes in writing to both you and, if you have an attorney, to your attorney. If you have further questions about Social Security benefits, would like to understand how an attorney can help you, feel free to call our office. We'd be glad to help you. Take care.